5 Millionaire Investing Ideas for Teenagers. Welcome to the Aspiring Millionaires Network, the home of current and future millionaires. 5 Millionaire Investing Ideas for Teenagers. We have an exciting topic that's sure to catch the attention of all the ambitious teenagers out there. We'll be discussing 5 millionaire investing ideas specifically tailored for teenagers. That's right, we believe it's never too early to start building wealth. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Idea number 1. Our first investing idea for teenagers is to focus on the stock market. Investing in stocks has the potential to generate significant wealth over time. As a teenager, you can start by learning the basics of stock market investing, understanding different investment strategies, and researching individual companies. Take advantage of online resources, educational platforms, and books to build your knowledge. Remember, start small and diversify your portfolio to manage risk effectively. Investing in assets that appreciate in value, such as stocks, can help teenagers build a substantial portfolio by the time they reach adulthood. Idea number 2. Real estate investment. While it may seem out of reach for most teenagers, there are creative ways to get involved. Start by learning about real estate fundamentals, such as property valuation, rental income, and market analysis. Consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or crowdfunding platforms that allow you to pool funds with others to invest in real estate projects. This way, you can dip your toes into the real estate market without needing a huge capital up front. Idea number 3. Entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can be a fantastic wealth-building opportunity. Identify a problem or a passion you have and brainstorm business ideas around it. Develop your skills, seek mentorship, and network with like-minded individuals. You can start small by launching an online store on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, offering services or creating digital products. Remember, the key to success is persistence and continuous learning. Idea number 4. Self-investment. Our fourth investing idea for teenagers is investing in yourself. Education and personal development are invaluable assets that can lead to future success. Invest your time and effort in acquiring skills that are in demand. Consider learning sales, coding, graphic design, or digital marketing. Look for scholarships, online courses, or vocational programs that can help you gain knowledge and credentials. By investing in yourself, you're setting a solid foundation for future financial growth. Idea number 5. Last but not least, let's talk about investing in your future. As a teenager, you have a long-term investment horizon, which gives you a huge advantage. Start thinking about retirement savings early on. Look into opening an individual ETF account if you qualify. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or target date funds that offer diversification and long-term growth potential. Even small contributions over time can compound into a significant nest egg. For example, if you begin investing £200 per calendar month now, in 20 years, compound interest alone would compound that into £119,000. Summary. That's our top 5 millionaire investing ideas for teenagers. Remember, these ideas require dedication, patience, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Start small, take calculated risks, and make sure to consult with financial professionals if needed. With the right mindset and a solid plan, you can set yourself up for financial success. Teenagers have a significant advantage when it comes to investing due to their long time horizon. Starting early allows them to harness the power of compounding, where their investments can grow over time. The longer the investment horizon, the more time there is for compounding to work its magic and generate substantial returns. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, stay motivated and keep investing in your future. Until next time.